What's going on, everyone? Chris back with another video. Today we're going to be checking out a pair of Bluetooth wireless earbuds. These are going to be called the TONOR Bluetooth wireless earbuds. Someone from the company reached out to me on Twitter, asked me if I wanted to review these. I said sure, I'd check them out, but never heard of the company. They are $35 on Amazon. I'll leave the link down in the description below in case you want to check them out. So some of the feature says Bluetooth 5.0, built-in battery charging in the case there. Let's see what else. It has incredible sound, ergonomic design. Really not much information, very generic in terms of marketing language, 3D stereo sound. So yeah, there isn't much information in terms of the actual box also. This is pretty much it. Gives you the specs here. So charge time about 1 hour, 50 milliamp hours for each earbud. Weight 6 grams. Supports these different audio profiles. Let's go ahead and get them open real quick. All right. Simple packaging, interesting packaging. Got some soft foam. Got a little box here. Let's see what these are about. So we have some different ear tips, so that way you'll at least have passive noise cancellation with the ear tips for a great seal. We have a charging cable here, which is micro USB, so it charges over micro USB. And then we have a user guide at the bottom. So it tells you kind of different parts of the earbud, charging contacts, multifunctional button. We'll take a look at that in just a moment. We have basically power on and play pause, an assistant button, hang up. Here are the 2 different ear tips. Tells you how to charge it, how to pair your headsets, and it's Bluetooth. We'll be taking a look at that. Winner R is the Bluetooth device name, so we'll take a look at that. So yeah, not much information. Here is the box itself. Very glossy plastic construction. We have your micro USB cable there. Looks like little holes for LED indicator lights. So these things are kind of like on a spring, which are those contacts there. Definitely they'll just fall out. The lid isn't going to open. It's held in by magnets at least, but these are going to fall out as soon as you open the casing, which I almost experienced just now. Not very good in terms of keeping them into place. So let's go ahead and try pairing them to my phone, but first real quick we'll take a look at the actual design of them. So here's the charging pins there. We got 4 on each one. We have this little rubber wing up here at the top, which actually does have R engraved on it. Not sure if you can see that there, but it does have an R. We have a little light that's blinking. There is the button right here. This is very glossy. So there's the button. Here is a very small ear tip. If we pull that off. So there's the speaker basically, and the pre-installed really tiny ear tip. And this is just a really glossy plastic, pretty lightweight. But yeah, let's go ahead and pair it up real quick and see how they sound. All right, so basically in the instructions here we have a single press to play and pause a song or a podcast or whatever you're listening to. There is a delay from when you press the button and it actually pauses or resumes the audio. Double tap will wake your assistant. There's a beep in the earbud that plays, and then basically it'll start using your assistant. So if we take a look here real quick, I'm going to press this button right now. There's like a 2-second delay from when the actual music pauses or plays at that point. Now if we hold this button, this is the right earbud. Now if I press and hold for 2 seconds or so, it'll go to the next song, which it does work. And if I press and hold for 2 seconds on the left earbud, it'll go back a song at that point. About fit in the ear, it kind of just sits in your ear. It doesn't really create a seal with the earbud. I don't know, don't feel too secure, but they're in place. They're not falling out, but they're kind of coming out, but it's not initially seated as well as when you first put them in. So if you're running, they may move around in your ear, and then the sound is gonna change the more you run and move around and things like that. But if you're sitting at a desk, they'll be fine in terms of actual just them sitting in your ear. They're not heavy or anything like that on your ear or uncomfortable. It's just not a great seal with the ear tip here, unfortunately. Audio quality, there is quite a bit amount of bass, but the audio on the low end kind of gets distorted. I currently have pretty much the volume. It was weird. There was a delay. It was full up on Bluetooth and it wasn't sounding very loud, and then I pressed it again and it came up. So yeah, the bass, the low end, is pretty muddled or mushy sounding. It's not really super clear and deep. The high ends are okay. They're not super great in terms of that. They're just okay. They don't sound amazing or anything like that. Let me go ahead and just quickly watch a video and see if there is a delay between the video and the Bluetooth here real quick. All right, so guys, I can confirm and verify there isn't any audio delay from video and what I'm hearing in my earphones. So that's great compared to another Chinese Bluetooth earbuds that I reviewed earlier on the channel, that there was a delay, so it really made watching any sort of YouTube content or playing games really unplayable or unwatchable at that point. So yeah, this is just a quick unboxing and initial impressions of it. I can do a follow-up video in terms of battery life and things like that. And so basically I took these out and placed them in here, and it automatically disconnected from my phone. So it has an automatic basically disconnect there. So we right now see that there is one light. So I'm going to charge these up more because it does say the battery is low. But overall sound quality is just average, nothing to boast about. Again, never heard of the company. You can pick these up, like I said, on Amazon if you want to check them out as well. Currently there's only 24 reviews. I'm not sure if those are verified or anything like that. Automatic pairing, but that's Bluetooth, so that's not going to be any special feature. That's just what Bluetooth does. It says the charging case will charge these about 5 times, and then basically 4 hours of listening time on the actual earbuds. So you have a total of 20 hours or so of listen time with the charging case. So that's kind of the battery life at that point. So let me know, guys, what you think about these TONOR Bluetooth wireless earbuds. These are only in black. Yeah, I'm not sure if I can recommend them. If you want a cheap pair of Bluetooth earbuds, then these might do the trick for you. But I personally, I'm actually waiting on the Hyphen earbuds that I backed on Indiegogo. I'm going to check those out and review those on the channel as well. Thank you all for watching, and as always, if you have any comments or questions, leave them down below, and I'll help you out the best I can regarding these earbuds. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Take care, guys.